at this! Hey, my name is Mindy. I'm a photography, videography, travel, fashion, perfume enthusiast. I know I have a lot of hobbies, but I think that's what's making my life a little bit more interesting and keeping me sane. Today I'm gonna make a custom jersey for a really big festival coming up next week, EDC, using my Cricut heat press machine right here. I will timestamp each topic throughout the video because I value your time and I know you're here anyway. Okay, then let's get into making! First, you have to get jerseys. I got mine from Amazon. Then pull up your design. This was the jersey design for my last event. And just start designing. Play around with it and have fun.
A few moments later.
Ta-da! This is the final design. It has the logo on the front and on the arm sleeves, and I took this image from their website and adjusted the size of the logo. And I'm placing them like this so that I can print them out bigger. Wait, like this? It's so... Okay, whatever. Then I pulled up the Cricut software and add the image to the canvas. And I'm gonna select print and then cut image. Then put it on your canvas and click make it. For this specific transfer paper, you don't have to mirror the image. It depends on which transfer paper you're using. I'm clicking the use system dialog button because I'm gonna manually adjust the color setting of my printer. The printer I have is Canon PIXMA Pro 100 and it has some advanced features like this. And for the Cricut cutting, put it to light cardstock mode. These are the sign of my painful experiments
On the what?
on the transfer paper
Oh.
to find the right color setting. Oh, not bad!
Have you seen this? It's like a joke on Twitter where like a chicken's head is basically a gimbal. Like no matter how you move the chicken, the head just like, stays in the same place. Oh.
Ah.
Good.
Till I die. Oh no! I scratched it. This is yours.
We finished this the night before countdown.
It took, what, 4 hours?
Took a long time.
Took a long time for this. I'm really satisfied with this one. Good design. I'm proud of myself.
Hey, I'm the one who came up with this 2030.
Hey, but
And
I
then-
did the
and then
design.
I told you, and you're like, nah.
Sun's going down. What do you want to eat later?
Do you have any? No.
Ooh! Coming together. Oh, that's so satisfying. It's almost 8, so came to grab dinner real quick. Ooh, looks so good. H-Mart. It's 9:30 right now, and just got back from dinner.
떡볶이하고 짜장.
짜장면, baby.
맛있어. 너무 맛있어.
And it's time to cut out the lettering part. For the lettering part, I'm gonna select cut image this time because you don't have to print out anything. You just need to cut the white part out. And for this one, you want to make sure to mirror this because of the material. and select the cutting setting to Iron on Plus. After making sure that the shiny part is down, then you can start cutting.
Wait, this is so big. Why did you make it so big?
At this point, I don't know. I don't know.
That's what we did last time. What?
No, I know
No.
what you're talking about, but there's an eye. Was it close?
The end of the P. How much would you charge if you made custom jerseys like this? The amount of time it takes.
Well, considering those ugly jerseys are like easily over $100, I could probably charge like at least $150.
150 for a jersey. Damn.
I don't know who would actually buy this though.
Although I think it might be like not really legal to sell.
It's not legal. Well, if I come up with my original design, then yeah, it is. There's nothing wrong with that.
Yeah,
But
but
If
just
I wanna-
using the logo itself is already like.
yeah. Well, this is for fun.
I know. I think it's cool because then you get to basically create whatever jersey you want.
Mm-hmm.
But to like sell it to other people is like a totally different story.
True.
Kuro's my doprosh.
Kuro's my. I don't know if I'll be as dedicated as I am right now if I were to make jerseys for someone else.
Yeah, I think it's not even worth it. Like trying to sell it, like the amount of time it takes is just not. Like it's just like a hobby. Like it's fun, and if you get to wear it, that's cool. But not really worth it.
EDC cures my depression. For polyester, 275 degrees with 30 seconds, so it's preheating right now. No, it's off here.
And here.
And here. Place the parchment paper. Gently press it. Oh, so nervous. And then you need to let it cool for like a minute or two.
Wait, I see a line. I see the line.
It's fine. It's whatever. It is what it is.
I guess from like, unless you're like this close, you're not gonna be able to
that's
see
fine.
it.
It's gonna be dark
Yeah.
anyway.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Nice.
Wow. Wait, this is so cool. Very proud. Very proud. Yay! I think it turned out great. I think it has fun personality and a lot of pretty elements. Here are my thoughts. It's so time consuming. It's a lot of work for sure, and then you will run into a lot of unexpected problems like I did. I think there's a little bit of learning curve learning about this machine and softwares, but it's definitely doable and it's really fun. If you have an event coming up that you're absolutely excited about and you want something special and unique, then go for it. It's super fun, definitely a special experience. Both Brandon and I didn't want to get overpriced jerseys with the most basic design. so that's why we went a little bit overboard to make our own, but it's super fun. I recommend it a lot as long as you're willing to dedicate your time and energy to make this jersey. This was our second time making jerseys for festivals, and then it took about 4 hours and a half, including some time wasted in the beginning to adjust some of the elements of my design. I think it took longer than I expected it because I got a little bit too ambitious and then started putting a bunch of different elements on my design. But it also took around 4 hours last time as well. Like when I made this countdown jersey, it also took about 4 hours-ish. But as you can see, there are much less elements than this EDC jersey. Ooh, that was super cool, huh? But also we spent a lot of time trying to figure out the right setting for this machine, the right heat temperature. But to save your time and energy, I'll drop the exact same setting I used for this jersey and links of the materials I got down below. Okay, so that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Tune into my next video to see how this actually looks at the festival. I'm so excited for this Friday. Okay, bye!